Gabor, you told me something pretty crazy, which is that you're not just using Claude Code for PM tasks. You're using it to replicate a company. You have a 15-agent team, CTO agent, design agent, coding agent. Can you walk us through your agent setup in Claude Code?
Yes, absolutely. So I have actually, now I just realized that it's 21 agents, apparently, according to what I can see on the screen. So probably the most important agent that I use is the System Analyst agent. I set up these agents on a way how I would imagine in a real world I would work with a group of software engineering team members. So I have someone who looks after the brand. I have someone who looks into whether our code is maintainable. I have a CTO who looks after the more strategic technical decisions. I have designer agents. I have agents that implement the actual software, the coding part of it. I have an agent which takes care of the performance of the application. I have another designer agent. I have a product council which looks into how do we handle data, how do we store data, just to make sure that we are not leaving anything available for bad actors. We also have a product spec architect, which usually checks for me whether our specification is well structured and easy to understand. This will be important later. I will walk you through that. We have a test architect, which designs how we guarantee the quality of the whole application. And then I have a UX flow architect. This will be very interesting when we are designing the clickable prototype, which is the basis of the app. We'll come back to the UX flow architect as well.
Gabor has a course on Maven called Go from PM to AI Builder with Claude Code. It's a 4-week program. The pitch is simple. You ship a real app, not a prototype, not a certificate, an actual app on the App Store or Google Play with an AI feature built in. He walks you through the full stack you've seen today plus more. Claude Code, Flutter, Firebase. You get live workshops every Thursday, a build companion app with milestone checklists, and Gabor in the trenches with you until your app ships. It's $2,995, but you get a discount with my link in the description. That includes the full workflow, lifetime access to recordings, and a community of other PMs building alongside you. This is for mid to senior PMs who want to become AI PMs, but don't get to build AI products in their current roles. Technical ICs with a product idea, PMs in career transition who know a certificate won't differentiate them. You don't need to know how to code, you just need a willingness to understand how software works. The link is in the description. If you've enjoyed today's episode and thought, I want to build that, check out his course. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.